Hi, I'm Sarah Vedler, host of the Creativity for Wellbeing Summit. I believe that creativity isn't just about making something beautiful, it's about feeling alive, balanced, and deeply connected to who you truly are. In my own life and in the lives of thousands of people I've taught, I've seen how a few minutes of creative expression can shift stress into calm, overwhelm into clarity, and open a doorway to joy. Maybe lately you've been feeling a bit stuck. Maybe you've lost touch with that creative spark, or you've been so busy that your well-being has slipped to the side. Here's the truth. Creativity and well-being go hand in hand. When one is nurtured, the other one blossoms. That's why I created the Creativity for Wellbeing Summit, happening September 22nd through September 28th. Over the course of the week, you'll hear from artists, healers, authors, thought leaders, who will share simple and practical ways to unlock your creativity, even if you don't think you're artistic, calm your mind and regulate your nervous system, and bring more joy, peace, and self-expression into your everyday life. These sessions aren't just ideas, they are experiences. You'll get to try creative practices that are accessible, uplifting, and designed to meet you exactly where you are. The best part, it is completely free. If you're ready to bring more inspiration, balance, and joy into your days, just pop your name and email in the box on this page to save your spot. I can't wait to share this week with you and to witness what unfolds when you give yourself the gift of creativity and well-being. See you there.